Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Moto, and today I am here with Vivo V11 Pro. You can see here, this is the back look of the device. This is of two color combination, one is black and another one is red. You can see here. Build quality I'll say is very nice. It is little different. You will feel that you have something different other than the devices which are there in market. So look wise it's fine, and now you can see here this is the display, and the most important thing about this device is that it has finger print sensor on the display. I mean, you will get in display fingerprint sensor, and which is very fast and accurate as well. You can see here. So performance wise you will not have any issues, and one special thing we will see, that is fingerprint sensor on display. And here you can see it has dual camera setup at the back, and something written the design by Vivo. So design part is very nice, I will say. And most importantly, this is the first budget device you'll get at around 23, which has in display fingerprint sensor. And so you can see here other things as well. Now I'd like to show you the display quality. You can see here the display is very vibrant, it's very nice. It is having full HD plus display, and here you can see here at the top there is 25 megapixel camera in this. So cameras are also very nice, and it has some beautification on user interface. So now I'm going to show you what kind of software you're getting in this, and I hope it has 8.1. Let me show you first. The Android version will be, I think, 8.1 audio. Yes, you can see here it is running on FunTouch OS, and it is clearly mentioned that it has Snapdragon 660 AI processor, and yes, it is running on an 8.1.0. So I think that is nice, and I hope within short span of time it will also give you an update of Android P as well. And in the software department it's nice, you can see clearly security patch is of February month, so no issues at all. And now I would like to show you cameras as well. So you can see here this is 25 megapixel camera at the front side, and the quality of the front camera is very nice. The picture is coming out to be very nice. Even in more details you'll get after zooming as well. And now I'd like to show you the back cameras as well. You can see yep, the image is very nice at the back as well. So it was quick review of the Vivo V11 Pro. I hope I'll give you detailed review soon. Thanks for watching the video, and also just signing off.